What's up, travelers? Welcome back to DSV Travel Trip. Today, we're embarking on an unforgettable journey through Porto, Portugal's second-largest city, and one of Europe's most breathtaking destinations. Nestled along the banks of the majestic Douro River, Porto is a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern vibrance. With centuries of history, an exciting culinary scene, picturesque landscapes, and world-famous port wine, this city offers something for every traveler. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the best things to see, taste, and experience in Porto and its enchanting surroundings. Porto is a city located in northern Portugal, along the northern bank of the Douro River, near the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second-largest city in the country, after Lisbon, and serves as the capital of the Porto district. Porto is one of Portugal's most historic cities, having played a crucial role in the country's development. Its origins trace back to Roman times, and it was later a vital trading hub during the Age of Discovery. By the 18th century, Porto had become famous for its export of port wine, a legacy that continues today. But Porto isn't just a city of the past. It thrives in the present with innovative arts, a flourishing food scene, and vibrant street life. The harmonious blend of history and modernity makes it an unmissable destination. Exploring the Old Town, begin your Porto adventure in the Ribeira district, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its narrow, winding streets and colorful facades. The atmosphere here is lively, with charming cafes, street performers, and picture-perfect views of the Douro River. Be sure to visit São Bento train station. More than just a transportation hub, this stunning station is a work of art. Its interior is adorned with 20,000 azulejos, traditional blue and white tiles, that depict scenes from Portuguese history. Dom Luís Thelman Bridge. This iconic double-deck iron bridge, designed by a student of Gustave Eiffel, offers panoramic views of the river and cityscape. Walk across for stunning photos. Palácio da Bolsa. The former Stock Exchange Palace boasts opulent architecture and richly decorated rooms, including the magnificent Arabian Hall. Whether you're religious or simply an architecture enthusiast, Porto's churches will amaze you with their beauty. Don't miss Clérigos Church and Tower. Climb the 225 steps to the top for one of the best views of the city. Church of São Francisco, known for its lavish Baroque interior, featuring gold leaf-covered carvings. Church of Carmo, famed for its breathtaking azulejo-tiled exterior. Porto Cathedral, Sé do Porto, one of the city's oldest and most important landmarks, offering spectacular views from its terrace. Book lovers and Harry Potter fans, this one's for you. Often regarded as the world's most beautiful bookstore, Livraria Lello features a stunning stained glass ceiling, intricately carved woodwork, and a winding staircase that feels straight out of a fantasy novel. Pro tip: arrive early or book skip-the-line tickets to beat the crowds. Porto's cuisine is hearty, delicious, and unforgettable. Here are some must-try dishes. Francesinha, Porto's signature sandwich packed with meats, smothered in melted cheese, and drenched in a beer-based sauce. Try it at Café Santiago. Bacalhau à Brás, a delectable codfish dish mixed with onions, potatoes, and scrambled eggs. Tripas à moda de Porto, a historic white bean and tripe stew, only for the adventurous foodies. Grilled sardines, fresh, simple, and delicious, especially by the river. Pair these dishes with a glass of port wine for a true taste of Porto. Enjoying the Douro riverfront. Take a leisurely walk along the Calle da Ribeira promenade, lined with lively cafes and restaurants. Admire the picturesque views of the Dom Luís Thelman Bridge and the charming riverside architecture. If you're lucky enough to be in Porto on June 23rd, you'll experience the Wild São João Festival, featuring fireworks, music, and playful traditions like tapping people with plastic hammers. See Porto from a different perspective with a Six Bridges cruise. This 50-minute boat tour takes you under Porto's iconic bridges while offering stunning views of the city skyline and Vila Nova de Gaia, home to the famous port wine cella. Porto's best viewpoints. Thanks to its hilly terrain, Porto offers countless spectacular viewpoints that capture the beauty of this enchanting city from every angle. From sweeping river vistas to charming rooftops, these scenic spots are perfect for taking in the city's essence and snapping memorable photos. Miradouro da Vitória, located in the heart of Porto's historic center, this hidden gem offers one of the best panoramic views of the city. From here, you can admire the terracotta rooftops, the iconic Dom Luís round bridge, and the Douro River winding gracefully through the landscape. Though the viewpoint itself is modest, the scenery it offers is unforgettable. Pro tip: visit in the morning to avoid crowds and capture the best lighting for photos. Don't forget to wander around the surrounding streets for charming architectural surprises. The Porto Cathedral Terrace offers one of the city's most iconic views. Standing atop one of Porto's highest points, this spot provides a sweeping panorama of the medieval Ribeira district, the red-tiled rooftops, and the shimmering Douro River. The terrace is part of the Porto Cathedral complex, a site steeped in history. After admiring the view, take some time to explore the beautiful Gothic cloisters and intricate tilework within the cathedral itself. Pro tip: visit around golden hour for a magical ambience and softer lighting that enhances the terracotta hues of the cityscape. For those seeking a relaxed and peaceful vibe, the Virtudes Promenade is a fantastic spot. This long, shaded terrace overlooks the Douro River and offers unobstructed views of the city's sloping hills. It's a favorite among locals for picnics, casual strolls, and sunset watching. The atmosphere is tranquil, making it perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring Porto. The surrounding area is dotted with green spaces and offers a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Pro tip: pack some snacks and drinks, find a cozy spot on the grass, and enjoy one of the best sunset views in Porto. The Crystal Palace Gardens are a lush, beautifully landscaped retreat offering a series of viewpoints with breathtaking panoramic views of the Douro River and the city beyond. Wander through the gardens to discover multiple scenic spots, each with its own charm. The gardens themselves are filled with vibrant flowers, peacocks, and peaceful walking paths, making it a delightful escape from the urban landscape. The calm and romantic ambience makes it ideal for couples and families alike. Miradouro da Biblioteca. Almeida Garrett offers a wide view of the river and its surroundings. Miradouro do Jardim das Aromáticas, known for its fragrant herb garden and lovely vantage point. Pro tip: visit in the late afternoon to enjoy both the gardens and the view as the golden light bathes the city and river below. If you have extra time, explore these fantastic destinations near Porto. The Douro Valley is one of the oldest demarcated wine regions in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit charming towns like Paço da Régua, Pinho, and Lamego, where you can tour wineries, sample fine wines, and soak in the stunning landscapes. Opt for a scenic drive, train ride, or a leisurely river cruise from Porto. Escape to the wild beauty of Peneda Gerês National Park, Portugal's only national park. Hike through lush trails, discover hidden waterfalls, and admire breathtaking views. It's a 2-hour drive from Porto, but well worth the journey for nature lovers. Historic gems: Braga, home to the magnificent Bom Jesus do Monte Sanctuary, known for its Baroque staircase and stunning hilltop views. Braga also boasts a vibrant old town and elegant squares. Often called the birthplace of Portugal, Guimarães is a beautifully preserved medieval city. Visit the Castle of Guimarães and stroll through its charming historic center. Beyond the iconic landmarks and tourist attractions, Porto is brimming with hidden gems and authentic local experiences. These places will help you discover a more relaxed and charming side of the city. Dive into these unique spots for a deeper connection with Porto's vibrant culture. Nestled at the western edge of Porto, Foz do Douro is an upscale and picturesque seaside neighborhood where the Douro River flows into the Atlantic Ocean. This area is perfect for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and enjoy a relaxing afternoon by the water. Things to do in Foz do Douro. Stroll along the promenade. The coastal path, lined with palm trees and elegant cafes, is ideal for leisurely walks or bike rides with stunning ocean views. Praia dos Ingleses and Praia do Carneiro. These small, scenic beaches are perfect for sunbathing or simply listening to the waves crash against the shore. Felgueiras Lighthouse. Walk along the breakwater to reach this iconic red and white lighthouse, where you can watch the waves dramatically crash against the rocks. Sunset watching. Foz do Douro is known for its breathtaking sunsets, so find a cozy spot and enjoy the show. Pro tip: visit one of the stylish seafront cafes like Praia da Luz for coffee or cocktails with a view. The Swiss Alps Museum of Contemporary Art and its expansive park offer a unique blend of modern creativity and natural beauty. This cultural institution is a must-visit for art enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. What to see and do: contemporary art exhibitions. The museum showcases cutting-edge works by both Portuguese and international artists. The minimalist building, designed by architect Álvaro Cisa Vieira, is a work of art in itself. Serralves Park, Parque de Serralves. Wander through 18 hectares of beautifully landscaped gardens, meadows, and woodlands. You'll find hidden sculptures and serene paths, perfect for a peaceful escape. Vila Serralves, a striking Art Deco mansion located within the park, open for guided tours showcasing its elegant architecture and design details. Family-friendly activities. Kids will love exploring the park's natural spaces and spotting the contemporary sculptures scattered throughout. Pro tip: check the museum's event schedule for workshops, concerts, or night visits during special exhibitions. Located in the heart of Porto's historic center, Rua das Flores is a lively and picturesque pedestrian street brimming with charm. Once a hub for flower merchants, this street has transformed into a bustling area filled with boutique shops, cafes, and beautifully restored buildings. What makes Rua das Flores special? Historic architecture. Admire the elegant facades of 18th and 19th century buildings, adorned with intricate ironwork and traditional tiles. Boutiques and shops. Discover unique items at artisan stores and independent boutiques selling handmade jewelry, crafts, and souvenirs. Street performers. The lively atmosphere is often enhanced by talented musicians and entertainers who add a cheerful vibe. Cafes and eateries. Grab a coffee or a pastel de nata at one of the charming cafes like Mercador Café or Costa Coffee Porto. Notable landmarks. Igreja da Misericordia, a stunning Baroque church located halfway down the street, worth a quick visit for its beautiful interior. Casa dos Maias, a beautifully restored 16th century house with a lovely courtyard. Pro tip: visit Rua das Flores in the early evening when the streetlights cast a magical glow and the cafes buzz with locals and tourists alike. Exploring these hidden gems will give you a richer and more authentic experience of Porto. Whether you're soaking in the ocean breeze at Foz do Douro, admiring contemporary art at Serralves, or strolling through the charming Rua das Flores, these local spots will make your visit to Porto truly unforgettable. Porto is a city that truly has it all: rich history, stunning architecture, vibrant culture, delicious food, and incredible wine. Whether you're wandering through the Ribeira district, sipping port wine in Vila Nova de Gaia, or venturing out to the Douro Valley, every moment in Porto promises to be unforgettable. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more amazing travel content. See you on the next adventure. Until then, happy travels.